Howdy, folks. I'm Jeff.
And I'm John Furr.
And we're the J&J Show. Well, you can see we got the red line detected speed smoke. And yesterday you were testing an evap system.
We were.
And
I sure wish I'd have had what we were fixing to talk about.
We got a surprise from red line detection. Let's see what our helper's bringing us in here. Stand around here. Look at here, this. Now they just spent a whole lot on the packaging.
They saved you some money there.
But this is from Red Line Detection, the Smoke Machine Quick Connector Kit. This is part number, and you guys want to write this down or watch back later, part number 96-0190. So what's in the box? Was there anything in the box? No, because I already took it out. It comes with this nice case. Now this is where the money is right here, folks.
The gold.
So you open this up and you have all of these adapters. A container there, and it tells you the different tips that are in there, the different adapters. So if one of your guys happens to lose one, then you have a number where you can just order that particular one back. You don't have to order the whole kit. So yesterday y'all were testing an evap system.
Yes, we were.
And it didn't have the evap ports on there.
Yep.
So your guy took the line loop emission system.
We're testing this there, and we disconnected this right here, and we force feeded the smoke right up through that nozzle right there.
So your guy was trying to hold that on
and turn that on and off.
And he was trying to actuate the valve with the computer. And so with this new fancy kit that we got here, there's all kinds of adapters. And John, I think this is the right one. If you look on the ends, you make sure that this is the right end, and you'll see on the inside there, that's the green one. And you see it presses on just like this other one. So what we'll do is we'll just slide that on. You heard clip. That clips back in place. And now, of course, back up here just a second. And we're going to
power it up.
The smoke machine,
I like this one because it's a 12-volt system, and the one we was using yesterday, we had to actually run an extension cord and plug it in. It's 110.
It's 110. And of course here we just flip this on. We're testing the evap system. The evap light comes on, and we're going to open up the valve right here. But we have to tell the machine to go ahead and start testing. And you'll see smoke's going to come out of here.
There we go. Now we got some coming.
And we got the smoke. So let's go back over to the adapter. And you see we just simply plug that in. It holds right on place. No one has to hold it like you were trying to do yesterday.
No, now we're hands-free and we can work it and do our test, and we can see whether it flows or not now.
That's a lot easier, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot easier. And you can see we have no flow.
We have no flow. And then this one also has that little ball like y'all were looking at.
Yes, we was watching the ball.
To make sure if it had any flow. And of course we can adjust that flow control right here. And now we would simply go in to our bidirectional tool, and we would actuate this valve and tell it to work. And if it opens, then we would start seeing some flow through here.
Yes.
So don't you think this is a nice handy kit to have?
I want one of these for Christmas, but I just can't wait. I'm going to own it next week.
You're going to own it next week. You know, you can order these direct from Red Line Detection. You just go on their website, and they have them available. Come on around on this side here. Show it right there, Tom. Or you can, I believe that you can get them on Amazon.
Probably.
Your tool truck comes by. What tool trucks do you have come over there?
Cornwell, Snap-on, and Matco tools.
Now, I know Matco has that because Matco is carrying this particular speed smoke unit that you can order. So I know the Matco guys can get this for you. That's a handy kit to have.
It is handy. That's nice.
And why do we show this to our customers? So that they can see the specialized equipment that we have in our shop. If you go into a shop and you say, hey, I have a check engine light on, you have an emissions problem, and they don't break out a red line detection tool or a similar tool like this, then
They're probably not going to find the problem easily.
We
Now,
just-
it's going to be a while before you find the problem.
We-
Or you're going to bring it to a shop like one of ours that'll find it for you.
and fix it properly.
Fix it properly.
That's why we always say, go to a certified shop with certified techs.
Yes.